This is Ebitama, easy Japanese food anyone can make. Today I'm making Japanese shrimp and egg stir fry. First, crack 3 eggs. Whisk them together. Add chicken powder, add sesame oil, mix it well. Now fry it. Heat some oil, add shrimp. Sprinkle in potato starch. Cook until the shrimp are nicely brown. Add green onion. Pour in the eggs. Cook until they are soft and slightly runny. Finish with a little black pepper. This is dangerous. It's popular Japanese dish made with seafood and eggs. Would you try this? Follow for easy Japanese meals.